Introducing your kitchen's new quiet hero with either a pocket or bar handle. Designed with a sleek, modern look and durable stainless steel interior, it's built to handle real life. With space for up to 16 place settings, it easily keeps up after a full day of cooking and entertaining.
When it comes to flexibility, it adapts to your needs. The foldable tines and adjustable upper rack make room from tall dishes to everyday essentials, while the wide and deep third rack creates dedicated space for flatware and serving utensils.
Need even more versatility? The Wash Zone option lets you clean smaller loads on either the upper or lower rack,
while the 1-hour express wash delivers a fast, reliable clean when time matters most.
With standby mode, you can turn off its lights and sounds to match your routine and lifestyle. Choose from 6 wash cycles and 7 options to customize every load with ease and confidence. Behind it all is performance you can rely on. SmartWash senses soil levels and automatically adjusts each cycle for consistently spotless results. When the cycle ends, Auto Door Open releases moisture to enhance drying performance naturally. For those hard-to-reach containers, specialized bottle wash nozzles reach deep inside for a more complete clean. Whether it's the first cycle of the day or a midnight refresh, the bright interior lighting illuminates every corner, providing easier loading and unloading at night. With just 44 dBA library quiet operation, it runs quietly in the background, so your family can enjoy peaceful sleep and entertainment without interruption. For added peace of mind, the active leak sensor helps detect potential leaks, while dual-stage filtration keeps every cycle running efficiently. And with Child Lock, you get an extra layer of safety when you need it. Best of all, it's ENERGY STAR certified, helping you save energy while delivering powerful performance. The Sharp 24-inch top control dishwasher, thoughtfully designed to simplify your day and quietly elevate your kitchen.